Hello guys, welcome to Fuda Bearing Live Show. Today we will enter Fuda Bearing Factory, introduce the company. This is visitor's notice. Some notice for enter our factory. This is the environmental notice board. Non-smoking factory notice. Company logo on the building. Yeah, we come to the office now. Here is Fuda Bearing Factory excellent staff. Every month we will evaluate the best staff, and from this board we announce some coronavirus protection. Moreover, in our right hand we marking the safety production knowledge on the board. For this part we show the company very important documents. Now we are ready in the position of in the factory. You can see our FMD logo buildings. Yeah. Oh, our truck driver coming. They will help transfer the bearings from the workshop to the warehouse. Now we will enter the workshop. This is the factory direction. Left hand is the head office building. Okay. We will enter this production building. Okay, we will come to the second floor.
Yes. Now we will do our assembly workshop.
You can see in the outside already have some finished package bearings. Okay, we go into the workshop. Hello, welcome to our workshop. You can see the test machine during production. Now we will see how the bearing assembly in the workshop. This is the production line for model 6301. And for this one, this line is for the C202 production. The first step, choose the boards. You can see outer and inner match together. separate the boards and put the cage. After assembly, we will go to next production step. After assembly, we come to the washing workshop. You can see this bearing is under washing.
Washing machine.
And this one is drying the bearings. Next, we'll go to injecting the grease and rubber seal, metal shield. We come to form this line. Okay, come one step by step.
Finish the bearing.
This bearing next step will come to injecting the grease.
Our cover.
Injecting grease from this part. And from here is our grease. Let me check which brand is this. Our customer brand. Now we come to the bearing appearance inspection step. You can see this is the instruction to show which bearing is not okay. So the people will choose one by one. Now we can say our skillful employee checking the bearing appearance one by one.
One by one. Our work have any problem?
And if the appearance not qualified, they will put into this red color box. You can see like this piece is the rubber seal is broken. Now we are in the position for the bearing production workshop, and here is the bearing test facilities layout.
By our worker.
Yes. Next one, electronical scale.
Yeah.
This one.
Going to check This is the inner damage.
You can see very clear for the test machine. We also will update it regularly, because for this test machine validity time will be August 30th. After August 30th, we will recheck the test machine.
For our water ring, inner ring.
Okay. You can see all our berries produced in warehouse. Here is the washing machine. Inside is also production.
Now factory. In every process of section, we have the flow card.
Yes, you can see each pallet we have this flow chart labels. That will be next workshop. They can easily identify those qualified products. You can see this is the workshop. Inside the workshop processing. This is the bearing processing flow chart, step by step.
Now we are in the assembling workshop.
Okay.